Automated employee shift roster using VBA in Excel by the help of ChatGPT. This video is the development of an automated 4-week employee shift roster system using VBA in Excel by ChatGPT, designed to efficiently manage staffing based on availability, preferences, and operational constraints. Project objective: streamlining roster generation. Our primary goal is to automate the creation of a precise 4-week employee shift roster. This system leverages Excel VBA to dynamically assign shifts considering employee availability, pre-booked leave, individual preferences, and adherence to maximum working hours. Efficiently pull critical data from pre-structured Excel sheets, including employees, leave, and preferences, to ensure accurate assignments. Generate the final, comprehensive roster output directly into dedicated roster sheet, ready for immediate use and review. Essential Excel sheet configuration. For the VBA automation to function correctly, the Excel workbook must contain the following 5 precisely structured sheets. Employees. Contains core employee data and work constraints. Leave. Records all pre-approved employee absences. Preferences. Captures individual employee shift preferences. Roster settings. Defines daily shift requirements and parameters. Roster. The destination for the automated shift schedule output. Employees sheet structure. The employees sheet is fundamental, providing critical data for each team member. It must include column A, employee name; column B, max hours per week; column C, can work late, yes, no. This data is crucial for ensuring compliance with labor laws and individual employee work agreements. Leave sheet structure. The leave sheet manages employee absences, preventing scheduling conflicts. It requires column A, employee name; column B, leave start date; column C, leave end date. Accurate leave data ensures employees are not assigned shifts during their approved time off. Preferences sheet structure. The preferences sheet allows employees to indicate their desired shift types for each day, optimizing satisfaction. Columns include employee name, Sunday preference, Monday preference, Tuesday preference, Wednesday preference, Thursday preference, Friday preference, Saturday preference. Valid entries for shift preference are early, mid, late, any, off. Roster settings sheet structure. The roster settings sheet dictates the daily staffing requirements, enabling flexible shift planning. It defines date early shifts, mid shifts, late shifts. This sheet is critical for matching staffing levels with operational needs. Roster sheet automated output. The roster sheet serves as the final output, automatically populated by the VBA macro with the generated shift assignments. It will contain date early shifts, mid shifts, late shifts. This sheet provides a clear, day-by-day breakdown of assigned shifts. Now the sheet structure is ready to apply macro, so I will generating macro by ChatGPT. Here the prompt. Create a complete Excel VBA macro that generates a 4-week employee shift roster for June 2024, from 2nd June to 29th June. The macro must use 5 sheets. Employees, columns, name, max hours, late allowed. Leave, columns, name, leave start date, leave end date. Preferences, columns, name, Sunday to Saturday with preferred shift, early, mid, late, any. Roster settings, columns, date, early shifts required, mid shifts, late shifts. Roster, the output sheet, cleared each time. Create headers in the roster sheet, date, day, early shift, mid shift, late shift. for each date in June 2024. Get shift requirements from roster settings. Get available employees who are not on leave, haven't exceeded max hours in past 6 days, and haven't been assigned already on that day. Match employees' preferred shift for that day or any. Randomly assign from eligible employees. Use helper functions. Get shifts, date. Get available employee, shift, date. Get hours worked, employee, date. Get preference, employee, day of week. Can work shift, employee, date. Add error handling using on error go to error handler and display any runtime error as image box. Use randomize and R&D to randomize employee selection. ChatGPT instantly responded with a full, working macro using multiple sheets like employees, leave, preferences, roster settings, and roster. Next, open Excel and paste this code into the VBA editor. Save file and come to the Excel. Add a button in Excel to run the Shift Roster macro. Go to the Developer tab. Click Insert. Under Form Controls, click the button Form Control, first option. Click and drag on the sheet where you want the button to appear. After you draw the button, a dialog will pop up. Assign macro. Select Generate Roster. Click OK. Save your workbook as macrobuild workbook.xlsm. That's how easy it is to automate your shift planning using ChatGPT and Excel VBA. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel automation tips.